Hey guys, Nebraska Dashcam here, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a brand new idea coming to my channel. What I've done is I've created a brand new email for viewer submissions to be sent to me. All I ask is that you submit your video or picture with your name or whatever we want to be credited with, description of what's going on in the video or picture, the location, and then the actual picture or video itself. So, if you guys want to do that, I'm going to put the email on screen. It'll be in the description below. But it's going to be BDNESubmissions@gmail.com. So if you guys want to send me those videos, feel free to do so, and it might get featured in one of the Bad Drivers videos coming soon. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing all your submissions, and you guys have a good day.
About a shot,